Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink linked account on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your OnlyFans account. Now on a screen, you're gonna see options like home, notifications, new posts, chat, and your user profile. Tap on user profile, then from there select settings. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like profile, account, etc. Go ahead and select account, then look for the linked account section. Under linked accounts, go ahead and select the account that you want to unlink, then tap on disconnect below the account. And guys, that's it. That's how you unlink linked account on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.